Guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to discuss about a problem that is about to happen here in Canada, or in many cases I would say already have started. So before I proceed further, if you've not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, thousands of people are losing their status here in Canada because of tough immigration rules and lesser immigration. We are seeing that how high express entry cutoffs are going. So when thousands of people are losing their status, the question arrives, are they really going back? Not in every case. Many are going for other alternatives, even as harsh as buying LMIS, and many are even going for uh, applying for some other kind of permit, maybe study or something, or many are going for visitor extension too. But at the end, what's going to happen? They are going to try to exhaust all the options available, and many would end up applying for refugee claims too. Okay, so my point here is, though, like, these are the people who are desperate to stay in Canada. So if proper steps are not taken, I'm not saying government to increase the immigration quota or grant them work permit or whatever. No, it's their decision and they have other ways and methods to handle this. That's fine. But what mechanism is in place to make sure that those who are getting their status expired are actually leaving Canada? There's already a huge backlog, right? Already, like, if I'm not wrong, correct me, that 33,000 people with removal order have been vanished. I mean, CBSA has lost the track of. So when thousands are losing their status every day, what measure we have to make sure that they are leaving the country? In case they are not leaving the country, what are they doing? As I said, many will take other legal methods, but many will take illegal methods too, staying illegally, or they are like perfect recipe. They are desperate, so that's the perfect time for criminals to reach out to them. Okay, and that will have, like, when crime syndicates reach to them and recruit them, will have very tough time here in Canada down the line for other immigrants, or Canadians, I should say. So I hope government takes some concrete actions to handle this. And whatever is your opinion, feel free to write. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.